All right, welcome to beautiful Paphos. The date today, what is the date today? September 18th, 2022. The time is 12:20, noon time. The temperature on the car says 30.5 degrees. Let's move this camera here. This is Paphos Harbour, coastal walk. Police don't care to open the door. As you can see, still plenty of tourists around. Season was good this year. Of course, it was well expected to get a good season after the COVID lockdowns, but it's still going strong the season. You can see a lot of people taking a walk. You can see on the left Paphos Harbour and the castle on the left. Myself up there. All right. Mari, put the music down a little bit. So far the weather is still excellent. We didn't get any bad weather yet or any rain yet. Just a little bit of wind, I guess, is today, but nothing. And just the temperature, of course, dropped a little bit down from the 35s and the 40s we have in July. So now it's down to 30.5. Go this way and have to go tomorrow. I guess I will try to straight upload this video from the camera to the YouTube without any editing to see how it looks like. So you can get the same day video. Let's drive through the bus street. It should be open now. It's off, I mean the road, but it's obviously will not be anything there now happening at this time of the day. It's only for night time. Right here. This is Sofiana Hotel on the front of us right now. Sofiana Resort and Spa. It's a new hotel, new smaller hotel. Here used to be water hole, what you see right in front of us. It's been closed down. Also the next one. This is Zorba's fast food. Huh? Okay. This is Zorba's on the fast food. Rainbow here on the left. It's underground disco club. Some restaurant here, Alkir restaurant, Robbie Hood. It's been here for a long time. Thanks God it's not one of the affected ones. VIP 7 Club is Gentleman's Club on the right. On the left it's Flares, which has been extended in the last few years. Grow up. On the right we have Bookies, Karaoke Club, we have out of Africa fast food, and there is Bubbles cocktail bar. Here there used to be venues many years ago. After it used to be something, I don't remember what it was, but it looks like I don't know what they're doing there now. Notorious on the left. Used to be also here a pub, but it's closed. Here used to be also another one, also it was burned down. On the right, I mean, on the left it's Vibes and a Greek music of Forest Life. Don't know if it's still open. I think it's also closed. Maybe only on the winter time. Hopefully if the season will get better after COVID era. Well, more clubs and more night pubs should open, new ones hopefully. They will start investing money again. Some cafes we just passed, Starbucks. On the left, right is Penguin Cafe. Anyways, we go on last time from the harbor, and then we will head towards Kicks Avenue Mall shopping center. Mari, a little bit down. This is calm, looks amazing. Like most of the time anyways. On the winter it's get some crazy waves here, but they throw the stones and they fix out of on the Costa Walk. When we get to winter, don't expect any winter before October at least. My estimate, we won't see any winter until November. is Apple Cafe. It's a bus, new bus station. Hopefully will be done before next year. Still under major construction. On the left it's Hondros Tavern. Come one day here, take some nice photos. Come on. Come here one day, take photos. And here come right. So on the right it's the catacombs. Before that it was the wishing tree. People putting any piece of clothes, personal clothes or anything on the tree and make a wish. And right in front of us it's King's Avenue Mall. We use underground parking. It's 2 floors underground. This is a -1. Back there. No, it's for Cyprus. It's blue.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We have to wear the masks.
No, who said this?
No, just listen.
Some people wear it, but why are they wearing? I don't know. Understand. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Make any suggestions what the next video you like to be. And don't forget to check out the channel if you haven't done so. There's plenty of videos there. With drone, with car driving, with walking videos, with the e-scooter. With latest news of the world and a lot of videos with live stream of Ukraine. Okay, it's always more difficult to find parking on the -1. It's always easier to find on the -2. This is our -2 right now. Parking here. I will take the next one. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.